The church has walked away from Christ. They made money, power, prestige, luxury their own God. They forgot that Jesus Christ on earth, He was a beggar for love. He walked the streets of Jerusalem, Bethlehem, Galilee with only one shirt and a sandal on his feet. He had not even $1 in his pocket, because when they asked the Lord Jesus in the temple, shall we give tax to Caesar or not? Jesus asked to give him a denarii, $1. Why did he ask for it? Because he did not even have $1 in his pocket. He was the poorest of all poor. He didn't have a throne. He had nothing. In fact, he had so much nothing that he even compared himself to the bird of the sky and the fox of the earth. He said, the birds of the sky have a nest to nestle in, and the foxes have a place to go and dwell in, but the Son of Man has nowhere to rest his head on.